Hari Om. Diabetes can affect the eyes. It results in glaucoma. It results in deteriorated vision due to this. And to prevent such end organ diseases, it's important to do some eye exercises when you have slightly raised blood sugar levels or frank diabetes. One of the practices you can do is stretching your hands out, thumbs turned up. Stretch out the arms as wide as possible when the head is kept straight. You are able to see by turning your eyeballs to either side the two thumbs. So you start by taking your eyeballs to the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Gently close your eyes. Let them relax fully. Blink a few times rapidly. Rub your palms together and place these warm palms on your closed eyes. Good warm fomentation for the eyes. You can repeat this a couple of times. We have many such practices for the eyes in our diabetes workshop. So do join us for this workshop. Hari Om.